Good job, man. Good job. Let me show y'all what he just did. 3 foot 9.5 inches. 3 foot 9.5 inches. Jumping the bed of that truck. He's about 5'8". If he was about 6'3", he'd have trouble getting in there, an average person. Good job, man.
Excellent core work. All right, today we're going to talk about the parable that Jesus told of the lost sheep. And it comes out of Luke chapter 15, verses 3 through 7.
Then Jesus told them this parable. Suppose one of you has 100 sheep and loses one of them. Does he not leave the 99 in the open country and go after the lost sheep until he finds it? And when he finds it, he joyfully puts it on his shoulders and goes home. Then he calls his friends and neighbors together and says, "Rejoice with me, I have found my lost sheep." I tell you that in the same way, there will be more rejoicing in heaven over one sinner who repents than over 99 righteous persons who do not need to repent.
And I would say that a parable is an earthly story with a heavenly meaning. Jesus taught in parables quite a bit. Now the shepherd in this parable is the great shepherd, Jesus Christ, and we are the sheep. Now, one of the sheep got lost. Now, I'd say that's a pretty good percentage.
Yeah.
But this shepherd wasn't satisfied with that. He went out and found that lost sheep.
I'm going to read verse 7 again. I tell you that in the same way, there will be more rejoicing in heaven over one sinner who repents than over 99 righteous persons who do not need to repent.
That's it. You see, when he found that lost sheep, he didn't punish it or seek revenge. He loved that lost sheep, and he rejoiced when he found it. Despite having 99 other sheep, and despite the sinful rebellion of these lost sheep, God joyfully received it back, just as he does when we repent and turn to him.
That's right. No matter what you do, if you repent and turn back to him, he'll always welcome you back and be rejoiceful. This is truth.
See you on the next video.